Hello and welcome to English 127, Creative Writing. If you're a former student of mine, you know what will happen now in this first video in our class. I'm about to give a spiel on my pedagogy, how I teach. So if you're a former student, skip this video and get to work immediately. You know what to do. But if you don't know me, let me introduce myself. And I always start with a question, and that is, who am I? I'm Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, and I'm not your boss. Nope. I'm not God. I'm your friendly teacher guide. And who are you? You're my student. That's true. So that means you're my teacher. You teach me how to teach you, which means you're my collaborator. We work together in this classroom. I learn from you and you learn from me. And here is a great truism or truth about the teaching and learning process. Without each other's help, we will not be successful in this course. We teach each other. There's one red apple for me, but there's another red apple for you. Okay, so that is my pedagogy in a nutshell, that we teach each other. All right, let's go into our classroom and learn what it is we do. And I'm going to take you there now. So this is creative writing, and let me move my screen over here. And we are in home. And you'll notice that in this left menu here, there are very few tabs, and that's because I like to simplify everything, not make it very complex. We don't need a ton of tabs. Okay, so let me explain what these tabs do. The first tab is home, and for us, home is a bulletin board. Think of home as a bulletin board we used to have in our classrooms when we were little. It was really cool. We walked in, and the teacher had artwork like this and also useful information. So my artwork is a window, and that'll be one of our themes in this class, that through your writing, you're letting us look through a window into another world. Okay, so I'll have a variety of windows up here every week of the semester. Okay, so what else do we have on our bulletin board here in home? We have a link to modules, week 1 of modules, August 26th through September 1st. That's why I have this little hand icon to click here. And we have FAQs to answer frequently asked questions, to give you an orientation to this class, and also a quiz. Now, so this is a to-do list here. And you might wonder, well, why isn't she using the to-do list up here? This to-do list is very useful. You can click on the links here, but I think it's a little busy. And because I like to simplify, I've just created a simple to-do list here. Now you can reach modules here, or you can reach it here in the left menu. I'm going to click on this handy link here, and it'll take us into modules, and here we are in week 1. We have all 16 weeks of the semester here. You can read ahead for our assignments, but I'm going to ask you not to participate ahead because the principal vehicle we use here to work together, to collaborate, is discussion. So we really do work together. All right, let me go back to home, to our bulletin board, to this cool window here. And what do we have next? We have our syllabus. I'm going to click on our syllabus, and the syllabus follows my desire to make everything simple, not simplistic, but simple to simplify, and all of the pieces of the syllabus are here in bite-sized pieces for you. Let me make this bigger so you can see it. So you'll want to read through this and pay particular attention to item 12, which is DSPNS and ADA rights. If you have a learning disability, and I really like to think of it as a learning ability, that you learn differently, you're unique, you do have rights. And also, if you are disabled in any way, you have ADA rights, the American Disabilities Act. So all of this information here is super important for you, and I'm going to ask you to read it. And I'm going to click back on the syllabus and show you the rest of it. Here is a complete copy of the syllabus here, and here is a summary of all of our assignments. Okay, what follows next is grades. I'm not going to click on it because there's nothing there right now. Grades record all the grades, but I tend to list all my feedback to you in discussion in modules. I'll write it where everybody can see it. If there's something very personal I have to tell you, I'll come over here and I'll use Inbox. Okay, so the next item in our left menu is the Canvas tutorials, and this is self-explanatory. If you don't know how to work in Canvas, you've got help right here. And our last tab is Office 365, which contains lots of great apps that we can use free online, such as Word and PowerPoint. Okay, I'm going back to home, back to our window here. And let's have a great first week. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in Inbox. And also, something I didn't show you in the syllabus, and I need to show you, is instructor and course information. These are the different ways you can contact me. I have a communications policy here, and I am available via Skype during office hours if you're far away from me and you want to interact face-to-face. Okay, so back to home now. And again, any questions or concerns, email me in Inbox. You have a variety of ways you can reach me. They are listed in the syllabus. You are never, ever bothering me. I love to hear from you. If something's not clear, help me to make it clear. All right, so we're on to our first week. Let's get going.